respecter grand monde. Men commencent déjà 50 and they kings, but when a woman turns 35, they grow wings. Flying in your comments, calling you retired, but the same ones watching your videos like they wired. We bend, we break your eyes again when mothers, lovers, fighters, friends. Beauty don't fade, it transforms. The confidence in a woman, that's a stone. Keep talking, yo, toujours gain bush, but we got rhythm, class and touch. We step wide, we take over the whole stage. Young ladies watching like that goes, that's let's get come on, with experience. Like good news, say true legends, respect they. Come on, respect the vibe. When we step in the party, I'm like, compa, nunca danser toute style. Young or grown, baby, we still got this mind. So listen close, it's time to learn. R-E-S-P-C-T, respecter grand monde.
Grand monde, cajou, pas même bagaille à craindre. Grand monde, c'est force, grand monde, c'est pouvoir. Respectez-nous, apprenons-nous. Parce que c'est nous qui bâtissons ça, na vie aujourd'hui, à la we run the go through.
Come on,
Nous parlons.
we show them on anywhere.
Oh, oh.
Respect the women who pave the way. We're ageless fire, nous toujours cabaye. Compa, you can be la flamme from 20 to 18, nous toujours dans. So spell it loud, spell it strong. R-E-S-P-C-T, respect tes grands mondes.